Nkulamusiza mukwano gwange. Hello my dear friend, I am so glad to have you back. Nsanyusa okulaba nate. Olwaleero tugenda kubala okuva ku emu paka ku abiri. We're going to count from 1 to 20. The best thing you can do for yourself right now is to get a partner. Either you get your sister, your brother, or even a friend who can speak Luganda, or even who can count from 1 to 20, or even from 1 to 10. Shall we? I've got my two helpers here. Nina mikwano jange video rege genda okunyambako. Hello friends.
Hi.
So, Chirawa will start with 1 to 10 and then you will do 11 to 20. Omu agenda kutandika, omu ku munno gw'olina naye agenda kutandika okubala okuva ku emu paka ku 10. Naye agenda kubala ng'alekamuko ng'abala emu omulala n'agamba 11 kuba bwe kijja okwanguwa. So one of you has to start with 1 to 10, but after saying 1 you leave a space in between and then the other one proceeds with 11 and 12. It is not that hard, right? Because in Luganda if you say 1 is for emu and 11 to 19 it is kumina. Say kumina.
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 Very well. Now you start with emu.
Emu. Kumina emu. Pili. Kumina pili. Satu. Kumina satu. Ija. Kumina inya. Tano. Kumina tano. Okaga. Kumina okaga. Musabu. Kumina musabu. Munana. Kumina munana. Billy.
Mwenda. Mwenda.
Billy.
Very good. Should we do it again? Emu. Emu.
Emu. Kumina emu. Billy. Kumina Billy. Satu. Kumina satu. Inya. Kumina inya. Tano. Kumina tano. Bokaga. Kumina bokaga. Musabu. Kumina musabu. Punana. Kumina unana. Weda. Vidi.
Very good, my friends. So I hope this has helped you. Just in case you can't really do it that perfect, it's not bad. You just have to rewind, or even if your partner is better than you, that's not a bad thing. They can either remind you or you can do it together. Mukwano gwange bw'olaba nti waliwo obuzibuzibu bw'olina nga tomanyi bulungi kubala ku emu paka ku 10 kuba ku 11 paka ku 2 tewali buzibu. Zaayo ka vidiyo kano akatambi kano oyige, oba ne muganda oba mukwano gw'aba nga akusinga nakyo si kirungi, ajja kuba akujjukiza bye weerabidde. Kale bayi weeraba.